Hi guys, so in this video I'm using yarn in two different colors and a crochet hook in size 5 mm. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now I will chain 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now through that last chain from the hook I'll make 3 treble crochet cluster. Plus the chain in the beginning of a row, that will count as 1, so in total we have 4 treble crochet cluster. Three and 4. And now I'll chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then through that same chain I'll make 4 treble crochet cluster. One, 2, 3, and 4. Again, I'll chain 5. Then through that same chain I'll make 4 treble crochet cluster. Chain 5, then through the same chain I'll make 4 treble crochet cluster. So we repeat this until we have 10 sets of 4 treble crochet clusters with 5 chains in between. So we repeat this until we have 10 of them. So now that we have 10 sets of 4 treble crochet clusters, I will chain 5. Then right here through this first treble crochet cluster chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Right here through this first treble crochet cluster chain, right through the chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Then I'll chain 4. Here through that loop I'll make 4 treble crochet cluster. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll chain 3. Right here through this third chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Again I'll chain 4. Through this next treble crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 4. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 4 treble crochet cluster. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll chain 3. Then through the third chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 4. Through this next treble crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, I'll chain 4. Through the next 5 chain loop, I'll make 4 triple crochet cluster. So 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3, then through the third chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 4. Through this next triple crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. So now to finish row 2 I will chain 4, and right here through this last triple crochet cluster chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. I will weave these ends in and then we'll be done. This is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.